NEFF oven B1430N0GB/02B AP22-7 4 buttons, a bell, an arrow pointing right, another arrow pointing right, a hand. Next, a twisty dial thing, it is on but fan not turning, pressing the bell, hives me 0.00 with a bell above the pressing button. No 2 gives me a cooking pot above the. Is there a combination of buttons I'm missing to turn circotherme fan on?
Hi, if the timer is in auto mode, then all you need to do is press the button of the hand. Or turn the power off and wait 30 seconds and turn it on. Then press and hold the 2 buttons of the arrows and at the same time turn the small twisty dial and set the time. But if the clock is set and the fan isn't coming on, then it may not be anything to do with the timer, as it could be the switch, thermal cutout, or fan itself at fault not brining it on. Try the above first and see what happens. But if that isn't working, then you need to pull the oven out and remove the top and check the switch there and make sure it doesn't burn out. If that's fine, then remove the back and locate the small thermal cutout and test it with a multimeter, and if faulty, then it will need to be replaced. Let me know how it goes. Regards.
Okay, power off. It's flashing auto. Time set, let's turn on and see. It's on but no blinking fan. Must be a hardware issue.
Is the little LED on the front coming on when you turn the oven on? Do you feel any heat inside the oven?
Above the temp dial it's on and I can see the heating coil glowing at the back.
Okay, if that's on and the heater is glowing, then it's just a faulty fan motor. It won't be a software issue, as if it was the light won't come on and the heater won't glow. It's just a faulty fan motor here, as the C's up and just stop tuning over time. So replace the fan motor in there by removing the fan inside the oven and then remove the motor from the back of the oven, and that will cure the fault from there. Regards.
In your opinion, it is a 10-year-old oven perfectly and up till an hour ago working just fine. What are the costs of repair versus £400 for a new NEFF from, and can you offer any hints as to how to find a repairer that is honest and reasonable in Linden N22? Or I can DIY degree of difficulty out of 10, and any recommendations for spare parts sites?
Okay, the fan motor itself is expensive. You are looking at about £120 just for the part. If you need to get someone in, then you can add another £60 roughly for labor. I'm sorry, I don't know anyone in London that can repair it, as I'm up north near the lakes. As for DIY, it's not that bad. Just the hard part is removing the fan of the motor, as it's an olive on there, so sometimes it can be very tight to remove. But once the fan is off and the oven is pulled out, it's very easy to swap over then, as it's only 3 screws. As I said, the hard part is getting the fan off. So 'tis hard to give out of 10. Sometimes it can be 3 out of 10 if it comes off easy. If it doesn't, then it can be 10 out of 10.
Thanks for your help, Richard.
No worries, you're very welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.